Okay guys, we're here at Favorit Motors. About to go pick up the weather is absolutely brutal right now, but we got it done. Oh, whoa, the GT got sold? That's crazy. If you guys didn't know, one of my buddies wanted to actually pick this car up. I don't think he's the one that ended up buying it, but damn. Congratulations to the new buyer, honestly. Okay. CLS is looking nice. Jeez. Damn. New addition to the fleet. CLS 550. Make a little YouTube video, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Come on. Wow.
Yo, it is beautiful.
Damn. Okay. Let's go. Let's do this.
Yes.
Daniel, thank you so much, bro.
You're welcome,
I appreciate
man.
it.
You're welcome.
CLS up and running. Nah, this is looking nasty. Shout out to Favorit Motors, able to pick up this beauty for me. If you guys want to go pick up your car, go holla at my boy Daniel Anim. He gets it done. Shout out to my boy Joel as well. These guys put in the work. Let's check out the interior. Come on, man. Okay, so we finally picked up the CLS 550.
Look at the steam coming off the hood.
Yo, it's looking nice.
Look at it, the snow literally melting as soon as it touches.
Look at that, man. What a beautiful sight. Leave a comment down below. Which one are you guys taking? Are you going in the CLS or are you coming in the M8? Easy choice, but if you're a Benz guy, you cannot deny that this is a beauty. Any thoughts on this car?
I love it.
Super clean. V8s all the way.
Come on, man.
Never go anything less
V8
than
or
an 8.
go
So
home.
nice.
Anyways, I want to pick this up later. I'm going to catch you guys in a bit. All right, we got the first POV drive in the CLS. Let's go ahead and give it a quick pull. Let you guys hear the engine. Not bad at all for a stock twin turbo V8. If you guys did not know, I think we have around 400 horse right now. Holy, it's pulling nice. But yeah, we have a stock twin turbo V8. We're gonna get some downpipes and a tune going. I think it's gonna bring it up to 500, 550, somewhere around there. We got a nice mod list for the car. We're gonna add some carbon all around, some interior mods. Got a pair of downpipes going. Oh, call from the wifey. What's up, babe? Okay, so we just finished up with that call. As I was saying, we got quite a nice mod list for this car. We're gonna add some carbon all around, downpipes, tune, maybe get some interior mods going. Let's go ahead and give it some gas here again. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and get on the highway and give it a quick on-ramp pull. Got the car in sport. Again, this is purely stock, no mods. Let's go ahead and see how it does with a quick pull here. Not bad at all. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. It's gonna be beautiful watching this car transition from what it is right now. What is that in my rear view? Got a Beamer up my ass right now. I think he's trying to check to see if we're a 63. Hey bro, my 63's in the garage, alright? M8's at home too. Let's go ahead and see if he wants to play a little. Doesn't look like it. M6, not bad. First POV drive, not too bad. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. It's obviously an easy choice right now between this, the M8 and the GT. If I had to rate them from top to bottom, in terms of power and performance, I'm gonna go ahead and put the M8 on top because it's all-wheel drive, and honestly, that's 650 horse with an all-wheel drive system. It's pretty unbeatable right now. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the GT in second place, and we have the CLS in third. Actually, before getting this car, I was considering a 640i that the dealership had, but you know, when you think of, I don't know, me personally, when I think of cars now, for me it's V8 or go home. So if I don't have that twin turbo V8, then it isn't for me. Like, I guess an inline 6 is nice, but I've had so many inline 6s. I had a 335i, I had 3 C43s, I had a G35, G37. So if you're talking to me about a V6 or a 6-cylinder, I'm pretty over them. I'm more into the V8s and the V10s now. Let's go ahead and give it one last pull before we end the POV drive. Wow, that is an amazing feeling. Having a twin turbo V8 is one of the best feelings of life. If you don't already own a V8, go ahead and buy one.